Hellcat.
What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Crosman Mako. I think it's called the Mako. Like, you could pronounce it in different ways, but I'm going to go with Google and call it the Mako, because I just put it into Google because I wasn't sure how to say it, and it came up with Mako. So this is a CO2 gun, and I'll just start with this. So you can buy these anywhere, Walmart, Amazon. You can get a 20 pack, I think, and I just have a 15 pack. So I got a couple in there, and this is what they look like. So it's CO2, carbon dioxide. And here's the BBs. Just some Crosman BBs, and this is a Crosman gun too. Like, all Crosman guns are good, I would say. And this is a blowback, so the slide goes back every time. There's some CO2 guns, and the slide doesn't go back at all. Those ones are still cool. The slide doesn't go back. Just the ones that are blowback are, I think, a lot cooler. So every time you pull the trigger, the slide will just go back, and on the last shot, it will stay there as well. And there's a rail here too, so you could put like a laser or something. I'm not sure why, but it's a BB gun. And the sights are really good, but there was like an orange thing that went through here, and it fell off, and I don't know where it went, but like, those are the sides, but there would be an orange thing if you bought it brand new, but mine just fell out. And this is not the safety right here. It kind of looks like that's supposed to be the safety, but it's not. The safety's on this side. It's on fire right now. It should be on safety. Ooh, push the mag release by accident. So it's on safety. When it's on safety, you can still pull the trigger, just nothing will happen. When it's on fire, the gun will go off if you have it loaded. The magazine, since I pushed the magazine release by accident, I guess we'll talk about the magazine. The magazine, it just says stick mag, so you just pull this down all the way, and there's a little groove where you can put the thing in. And you just pour a bunch of BBs in there, around 20, I would say. Then you're ready. And if you want to put a CO2 in there, you just grab it, and the CO2 is back here. You don't want the magazine in when it's in there, because you don't want it to, go off or something. And you don't want it loaded either. So just be careful and just have the magazine out. And you just want to put it in and tighten it with this thing right there. Yeah, you just tighten that until you hear like a s like that. Then you want to tighten it until you don't hear that noise anymore. I'll show you, because I will be doing I will be shooting it in this video as well, and I will do like a side view of it when I'm shooting it, when it's going like that. And I might do it in slow motion too. I just wanted to, kind of show you a little bit. I use it. So, yeah, I talked about most of it. So, I'll just show you real quick how you put a CO2 in there. So, I have this CO2 canister. Make sure this is down far enough. Okay, that's probably good. And you should, when you get a CO2 gun, get Pelgun oil for it, and you just put like a drop of Pelgun oil. Yeah, I don't know. It just better for your gun. But I don't have any of that. It's only like $3. And you're gonna hear it. Make sure it's just in there, lined up right. And okay, you heard that? That was a lot that came out. Okay, I think it's good. I'm not hearing it, so that's good. I got it in there. then you just want to put the cover back on. And you don't want to pull the trigger. And make sure it's on safe. Yeah, it's on safe. So it's good. If I pull the trigger, nothing will happen anyways, but don't pull it. Then I'm going to load the magazine up. So I'll just put this back. There you go. It's not too hard. Move that back. Get some BBs. And yeah. Okay, this is the boring part. So when I'm done loading this up, I'll be outside, and yeah. So see you guys outside. Okay, what's up guys? I know this is a different angle, but I want you guys to see a side view of me shooting this gun since it's blow back. Sorry. I'm just gonna be shooting some cans. Then I'm gonna switch it over so you can see what I'm shooting at. Then I might do it in slow motion too, but right now I'm gonna do a side view of me just shooting it. So, head over here. Hopefully you can see that. There you guys go. Okay, now we're gonna shoot the gun. You can see my targets that I got set up. I got a can and I got a little target. And when I'm done shooting this mag, we'll go over there and check how good I did. Probably not the best, but we'll see. We'll see. So I'm just gonna shoot it, and I will do a slow-mo of this gun in this video as well. So that'll be at the end of the video. So just zoom this in, and I'm gonna try to shoot that can, and I got the gun already loaded up. There you go, I hit it. Okay, I'm gonna shoot the can now. Okay, lock back. Okay, well I came over here and checked it out. That's not bad. And plus the box was kind of sideways too, because the wind kind of blew it and stuff, but that's alright. Like, it's not super accurate, but you know, you can hit a can for sure. I hit it a few times. Looks like 3 times actually I hit it. 3 times. But there you go. You know, I can hit a can for sure, so that's not bad. It's alright. So here next is going to be the slow-mo.